Hi, today you have a free lesson. I'm going to demonstrate and to inform you about certain things which I consider relevant. In first place, today we had Facebook earnings. Here you have the code after hours. This here, 79 and 90 cents. What you see here last match is a problem of Nasdaq feed. If you visit the website, and those interested in live streaming, you can on the first page you have here the live streaming, an example, and you can use this to confirm that you can see it live on your desktop on Android or iOS, so the iPhone or the iPad, and you can confirm that it works across any device. So having said this, I think that this is important because those that are interested in moving to live streaming to attend the Dubai Air Show, you can completely for free to try it here to see if it works on your mobile device or desktop. Having said this, today we had Facebook earnings. Those that they are subscribers, you have several real-time trade alerts after hours, and you can see how one can easily make, depending on the size of your account, obviously, between the minimum, the very minimum, $1,500 after hours trading, and up to basically $40,000 in Facebook. And I repeat that you have, as a subscriber, the real-time trade alerts in your platform. You just have to log in. If you have Facebook in your portfolio, as I demonstrated in the case of Landshand and F5 Networks, in the collaborative live trading platform, you log in, you click on Facebook, and you find there the real-time trade alerts that my colleague has been posting there on both sides of the market in Facebook. Having said this, you are going to notice one of the common beliefs among retail investors is the fact that they consider that after hours trading it is useless, and that is one of the common mistakes among investors. One can effectively make a lot of money trading pre-market and after hours, and not only that, one can trade with a very high accuracy, near 100% after hours, despite the fact that the volume it is not the same as during market hours. If you have doubts about this, I repeat that you can log in to the platform and you can confirm since everything that I'm saying. Not only because I already posted, in fact, published more than 100 case studies just in the subject of after hours trading, confirming precisely what I'm saying, as well as if you log in and if you go to Facebook, you find all the trade alerts on both sides of the market today after hours, after the company announced the earnings. So congratulations those that they followed my colleague real-time trade alerts. And since this is a free lesson, I believe also it is important to mention, as you know, we sold Alibaba. It is a stock that you can find here on the blog. If you make a search, you find it here. A case study when to sell Alibaba stock. So it was communicated to all subscribers to quit or to sell the stock within $113.5 to 118. 118 it was my upside last year in 2014. And then we downgraded Alibaba, and more than we downgraded Alibaba, we sold short the stock. And it was funny to see yesterday these individuals here in Fast Money, Final Trade, issuing a buy alert in Alibaba. And Alibaba yesterday it was trading around $103.12. So when they issued this buy. So if you bought the stock yesterday, today Alibaba closed at $98, in fact traded below $98, and obviously you continue losing money. Not only we already knew about it, so before these guys they speak, we already know about all this. The strategy that we used, and bear in mind that once again, all those that they have been interested in Alibaba trading, you find in your platform, in Alibaba, you find all the trade alerts on both sides of the market, and also the major direction of investment in Alibaba, whether it has been the short side or the long side. You find all there, the instructions, whether I've been long or short, if I've been not interested or interested in buying the stock. Everything has been there for you to profit from this tremendous opportunity, not only in Alibaba, as well as in many other stocks. And why I'm talking about this fast money on CNBC? Well, because although this is not a review, this happens, as well as the case that I addressed with Jim Cramer. This happens all the time. So these individuals that they buy the day before, they got to the show, and in the show they announce that they recommend to buy a stock, and they do it precisely before the stock plunges. And so everyone that was already long Alibaba with heavy losses, they added to the long side, and by heading to the long side, we pulled out the carpet and Alibaba plunged even further. So you find all this, I repeat, in the collaborative live trading platform, clear message when to sell the stock. You had to sell the stock. If you didn't sell the stock, you incurred into very large losses as these individuals. Anyone following the advice of these journalists, fast money, you cannot expect anything else other than consecutive losses regardless of market conditions. That has been the same case for, I believe, probably like 10 years with our dear friend Jim Cramer. So I'm very happy for the results, a free lesson, and the free lesson is precisely the fact that you have all this information available. The free lesson is the fact that one should not ever neglect the importance of after hours or pre-market trading. So after hours includes obviously pre-market and after hours. You can make a lot of money trading these stocks. For example, after earnings announcement is a possibility, or ahead of major events, precisely like these individuals announcing to buy Alibaba, and we were recommending to sell Alibaba precisely at that price, 103.12 cents, and taking that opportunity to sell short even more and to make a vast amount of profits, all the way down to $98. That was today the closing price. And during the day, and every single day, we can, and you find precisely in that platform, all the instructions in real time, when to take profits, when to re-enter, and this regardless of whether your interest is long Alibaba or short Alibaba. So you had there, for example, today and yesterday, you had information as a hedge fund manager or investment bank to make at least $500,000 in Alibaba without any risk, since we controlled 100% the stock pivots, and you could see it on the tape, and also as announced, those pivots, they were not broken. So a confirmation by following our comments in the Power Shares QQQ. So as I explained, you have to invest in stock market, or you have to learn how to invest in stock market by following our guidelines in ETFs. And this is valid for the tech sector. You have the Power Shares, the Qs. It is valid for the financials. You have also a ETF for that sector, and social media and so on. So we announce these, you have access to this information depending on your service level. And finally, I repeat that if you are interested then to subscribe or to attend the live streaming show, you can visit our website to confirm that this plays on your during the day. It is, you see here, live broadcast that plays on your it works on your desktop as well as on your mobile device, and this before you proceed, if you wish to proceed subscribing to live streaming, which has a service that has a tremendous value and a very low price. And I congratulate to everyone. Obviously, today I have to speak about this case study that was published, just to finalize the case of Boeing, an investment that was made a long time ago. And once again, we call it the bottom. It took several months, consolidation pattern, but call it a bottom, a very important one, at least on a midterm basis, the 115 to 118. That also information that you find already in 2014. So you had to be patient to follow up the stock and to understand that there was no other possibility than to buy the stock on weakness and then selling on strength when everyone else is chasing the momentum and upgrading then stocks. So this has been a game that we have been playing for years, and for some reason you find here precisely this image. Amazon it's $400 on strong buy. So we gave an Amazon, you remember this event that we have on the website, because at $400 to 408 we got rid of Amazon while they were upgrading to strong buy. So that image remains there for a long period of time, since Amazon at that price it was obvious strong sell and for the collapse. Thank you.